It has happened to all of us. The yoga teacher says, take a rest in this pose, but this pose doesn't feel restful. So how do we make child pose easier? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 modifications to help make child pose more accessible for your body. First of all, there are 2 options for your knees. If you have a tighter low back but more open hips, you'll want to opt for knees together. This is going to help to open up the low back. If your hips are quite tight but your low back is rather open, you'll want to opt for knees apart, allowing the pose to sink deeper into your hips. If you have sensitive knees from a previous injury, you might find that any time spent on the knees can be uncomfortable. You can double up your mat like this, place the knees on top, and then find child pose. If you still have discomfort in the knee joint, consider folding up a yoga blanket or even a mat and place it deep into the crease behind the knees. This is going to give a little bit more space for the joint so that you can rest more comfortably in child pose. If you find that your back is rounded like this and it's difficult to reach the floor, you could place a block under your head at any of the various levels available. An added benefit of using the block under your head is that you can give yourself a little massage by gently rocking the head side to side where the eyebrows are and then rolling up onto the forehead. We tend to hold a lot of tension here, so this can feel really nice while you're resting in child pose. And if it feels like you need a little more support, you could move the block and grab a bolster, lay the bolster lengthwise under your chest, and wrap your arms around it. You can place the side of the head on the bolster, take a few breaths here, and then maybe switch directions, placing the opposite ear on the bolster. If you've exhausted all of these modifications and you still don't really feel comfortable and able to relax in this pose, get rid of all of the props and roll yourself onto your back. Hug the knees gently into the chest. Find yourself in supine child pose. This is giving you all the same benefits of the posture itself without putting unnecessary pressure on the joints that are sensitive. I hope this has helped you find a comfortable way to find child pose so that you can rest in your next yoga class. For more ideas like this, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions about this or have any other poses that you'd like me to cover. Every month, we're running trainings in this beautiful jungle deck in Costa Rica. So if you want to go deeper into understanding the alignment in your body, check out the link in our bio, and I look forward to meeting you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope your next yoga practice is incredibly joyful.